Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the cannabis issue here in Thailand. And I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Bangkok Post. That's bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, Anutin Open to More Relaxed Laws on Pot. Quoting directly, Public Health Minister Anutin Charnvirakul on Wednesday said that the further liberalization of cannabis for recreational use is possible in the future if the public accepted it. Speaking at a, quote, Meet the Press Cannabis, unquote, event organized by the Department of Public Relations, he said that a new cannabis law has an opening that would allow for an amendment via a committee to legalize the recreational use of cannabis in the future. And that, again, that's Bangkok Post, bangkokpost.com. A lot going on in that article, actually, a lot of nuance, a lot of information in there. Urge folks go check out that article in Bangkok Post over on their website. But the reason for the video is, it kind of appears that things the momentum tends to be leaning toward the, more laxity legally with respect to cannabis here in Thailand, possibly even recreational use. Kind of remains to be seen at this time, but interesting to note. In other articles and news that I've read in the past couple of weeks, apparently the market capitalization in the cannabis space, sort of the cannabis field, if you want to call it that, no pun intended, I guess, it's saying that there's somewhere like 28 billion baht market cap already. And we only saw major changes in this at the beginning of the summer. We only saw this stuff really implemented just a few weeks, months ago. It hasn't been that long. So it's really interesting. Things are moving very quickly in the cannabis space here in Thailand. And I think it would appear to me, just based on, it's hard to, it's difficult for me to think that when the public health minister, who's ultimately going to have a lot of sway over this issue, is saying, we're looking at possible recreational use, to me it seems like, it seems hard to argue that there's not at least some momentum behind the argument in favor of that, at least in policymaking circles. Now, the outcome and the ultimate, result of all of these developments remain to be seen.